Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
We already had our breakfast. I forgot to show that to you. I had an omelet. She had a muffin.
And I
She had
had the burrito bar,
burrito bar.
the breakfast burrito.
Anyway, so it's a sea day. So, well, really it's a sea day, but we're not moving. We're stopped. So, sitting out here with an anchor down because it's 40 miles away. I told you like last time to Bimini. So we're good. Anyway, it's nice and cool out here too.
Yeah,
Not hot like it
it's
was
going to be a
2
beautiful
weeks ago.
day. That we're anchored, we're not moving. So, but I do feel a little breeze, so that's great.
Yes, it's nice and breezy, and just like I said, it's not really hot. So, all right, well, we'll bring it all to you. See you. Say bye.
Bye.
All right, here we are at Disney in the Haunted Mansion. Oh, I'm sorry. Wrong place. We're on a ship. Got confused there for a second when I saw that chandelier. That's a lot of empty cups.
Pumpkin carving. Come on, give him a big round of applause, Carnival family. So there you go, contestant. Please have a look, and so that you can get the ideas later on. Tickets here. We're gonna do the pumpkin carving, and we're gonna ask your kind help. And we're gonna call their creation one by one later on. So we're gonna help you to clap as loud as you can and shout as loud. How about contestant? Okay, silence. How about contestant number 2? Again, only you can clap one time. They're fighting all the way at the back. There you go, contestant number 3. Our family also in the pool. You can also join the club. Come on, help me, family. How about our last contestant? Now, let's start again, okay? Let's start again and again. Only you clap one time and you can shout only one time. Let's start with again, with contestant number 1. How about contestant number 2? How about contestant number 3? Contestant number 4? One more time, contestant number 1. It's really obvious he bring all his family on board. There you go. We get obviously winner Carnival family, and that is contestant number 1. person who are gonna show me the correct answer got 1 point. Leader, got it. Okay, team 1 and team 2.
We've been out at the pool like
All day.
since 7 o'clock this
All day.
morning. All day. She's a little overheated, she said.
I am. It's very hot. Now we're going to go to the room and get ready for dinner.
We are.
And then I hope we go to the rock show.
We're going to go to the rock show.
Yeah.
And we're going to go to the comedy show.
Yeah.
All right.
Then I'm going to bed.
You know where I'm going.
Sit up. He likes to be a loser.
I'm a winner at this point.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you there.
Bye-bye.
We'll see you at dinner.
Bye-bye.
New menu. Remember, new menu. It's pretty awesome, actually. Where we going, babe?
We're not where we're going. We're already here. We're at dinner. It's 6 o'clock. And it's my birthday eve. So we're going to have a nice dinner, a new menu. It's going to be wonderful.
Yep, new menu. I already looked at it. I cheated. Sorry.
We'll show it to you now.
Yep, we'll show it to you. Right here. Here it comes. What do you got, Terry?
This is a new salad with spinach salad. This is a new
okay.
spinach salad. What's
And
this
then-
called? What's this called? Beef carpaccio. Beef carpaccio.
That's beef.
Thank
I
you.
got the shrimp cocktail and the
Thank you.
Caesar salad. Terry got the prime rib
Thank you.
and another
Oh, that's a salad.
Oh,
Thank
my
you.
goodness.
That looks good.
I'm gonna get the crusted salmon and the shrimp with the crab cake.
Played this game for me so long. I started to believe, never mind anymore. End of a lifetime, and life showed compassion. End of a lifetime.
Got Terry.
That's it.
Banana split.
Yeah, baby.
And I got same thing, banana split. That's a big banana split.
It's good.
Where are we going, babe? We're in a hurry.
We're going to the show.
Show. Rock America Rocks.
American Rock Show. Let's
Dinner was
go.
good, and we're on our way.
Yeah, here we go.
See you there.
Bye-bye.
Bye. All right, Adam. Here we are with your replacement.
Yeah, he's really
Big
good,
shoes
too.
to fill, Adam.
He looks sharp.
Enjoy your vacation.
Yeah.
Cheerio.
And we'll see you when you get back.
Cheerio. We miss you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Okay. We had to run. We had to run the whole length of the ship, so. But we made it now.
Yeah.
We made it. All right, we're here. See you in a little bit. Rock on.
So fresh, so new. Freedom! It's all for you. All for you.
Okay, so we had to go all the way from the front
Ran.
to the back to come back here to watch
Punchliner.
Punchliner
Yeah, we
comedy.
ran. We got a good table, and now we're gonna have some
Not
fun.
to mention up 3 floors.
We made it.
We made it. We're here at the Alchemy Bar. They got the coolest menus. Watch. It lights up. I'm easily pleased, but that's pretty cool. A lot of work right there. Progress being made as it gets bigger. One girl, Slava, making all this. Well, good evening. As you saw, that was pretty impressive. She made 13 drinks. Never looked at anything to make them, but she made them all with no problem.
Yeah, we'll see how good it is.
Here we are in the nightclub, but we're the only people in here.
We ain't really open yet, but we just got out of the comedy show.
So it's chocolate martini time. Half of it's on my hand, but
Yeah. She did okay. It's not the best one we ever had, but it's okay.
tastes okay to me. We're strong.
Strong. And you know me, I like a better cup than that.
She does. She likes a regular martini glass.
Yeah.
But this
But
is
it's
close.
okay.
She'd have
It's
put,
okay.
they had put it in a regular glass. She'd have been upset.
It's okay.
But anyway, so all right. Well, we're gonna call it a night. She's gonna go to bed.
Well, first we're going to join our martini and see what goes on here, and then we'll decide what I'm going to do. And when I wake up tomorrow, it'll be my birthday.
It'll be her birthday.
Yay!
29 again.
Yep.
All right. So,
All right.
all right.
Good night.
Tomorrow we'll be in Bemini.
will.
We think we're going to get off, and we might go to Beach 360, but we're not real sure.
I'm not sure. No.
But we'll let you know.
We'll let you know.
All right. See you in the morning.
Bye.
Say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Or good night. Low battery. I said say good night.
I said bye. I said good night. I'm out of here. Adios.
Oh boy, she's in a mood. That's what happens when you get to be 30.
Adios.